Spring bear season. Easily one of the most overlooked and underrated hunts of the year. One of the good things about spring bear season is also one of the bad things though. It's kind of a catch-22. You see, spring bear season is 2 months long. That's 2 months of grinding in the bear woods. Every single day. But to be honest, we can't get enough of it. My load's in combo right now, but I'll have to work one up for... Yeah. I've been primarily a bow hunter since about 2007. But when we discovered spring bear season, we decided to pick rifles back up, and the long-range rifle hunting game just intrigued us.
Nah, she's good. That guy's crazy, all that stuff. Nobody's as tough as that guy.
Mike? Yeah, I don't know. He's tough.
Developing a load for a rifle can be extremely time consuming. Basically, you're handcrafting a cartridge for your specific rifle. Being primarily bow hunters, building bullets feels a lot like building arrows. The test and tune process is just as important, and gathering data and validating out to all ranges gives you confidence when you know you're only going to get one shot. But just like in archery, practice makes perfect. The arrow's only as good as the archer, the bullet's only as good as the shooter.
You guys see anything?
He's like probably not much more bigger than
My puppy dog?
Kate. Yeah.
No, he's big. Oh,
I'd say like 100 pounds.
no, he's big now.
Think?
Yeah. He's smaller than the one he shot last year.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's perfect size, isn't it? Oh, he's coming right towards us.
Yeah, he's not bad, Elliot. I'd call him medium.
Patience. Another facet of long-range rifle hunting. If there's no shot, there's no shot. You wait until there is, or you let it walk.
Get him. Get another one in him.
Looked like it was back.
Yeah, look left.
How far?
I can still see him moving to the right. He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone. He went straight across a bunch of white logs.
That's what I told Sage last night.
And then he's like, oh, he's right down there in the corner. I'm like, oh, I knew it.
Elliot Suits, possibly the best human on the planet. My opinion, of course. I met him at the gym around 5 years ago, and the adventures haven't slowed down a bit since then. Years ago, I looked up Oregon spring bear hunting on YouTube. Scrolling through the videos, one caught my eye, so I clicked on it. Luke Evans, Mr. Mountain Minded. I had a few business-related questions for him, so I got a hold of him on social media. It didn't take long for us to become friends.
Yeah.
Look, he's going back up, huh?
It's not too bad either. It's coming out pretty good. He could be right behind those trees.
Hey guys, let's see him. He's down here.
See ya?
Woo! Bear down.
Make sure he's dead. He could be just holed
Hey.
up in there or something.
980 yards.
Yeah, look at all that run. Yeah,
Yeah.
I was hoping he just
He's
went,
tumbled right
he
over
went
that.
right over that. Dude. Yep, I see here. Hey, Bear, you moving? It's the same one from last night.
What?
I think it's the same one last night.
That's kind of what I thought.
Oh, he's got flies on him already.
Heck yes. Dude, awesome, you guys. Thank you.
Dude, is there a better shot?
That's about where I had it, right in there, because he was quartering away.
Oh, was he? Thank you guys, man. He's got a pretty good coat on him, dude.
Yeah, not bad, dude.
Look at that, it's thick.
Dude, awesome. Stoked, guys. Only had a few days for this hunt. I recently moved to Montana, and you know, whenever I get a chance to come see my boys back here in Oregon, gotta take it. Luckily, I have an awesome wife, and she let me sneak away during our anniversary. I drove roughly 17 hours, kind of took off after work on a Wednesday, got here early Thursday morning. We seen this bear then Thursday night, came back Friday, and we got the job done. It was kind of a rush trip. I've got to leave in a few days, so it was a last minute throw together kind of thing, and we got it done. Super awesome.
It doesn't matter if you're long-range hunting with a rifle or hunting with a recurve. The company that you keep will either break you down or build you up. We're blessed to have the group that we do. My friends put others first and unselfishly give their time and effort so that others might succeed. What happens on our YouTube channel is cool. The action, the excitement. But there's a lot of life lived in between films. My friends are truly awesome and loyal people, on and off camera. And I'm glad that this crazy world of hunting brought us all together.